Meaning of handsome.
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 Handsome. Handsome is an adjective used to describe someone who is physically attractive. The word usually implies a combination of qualities such as good looks, charm, and charisma, making the person appealing and pleasing to look at. A handsome person is often considered to have symmetrical and well-proportioned features, with clear skin, bright eyes, and a pleasant smile. Additionally, a handsome person may also possess certain character traits that make them attractive, such as confidence, intelligence, and kindness. Overall, being called handsome is a compliment that acknowledges both physical and personal qualities in an individual.